my channel. If you're new here, my name is Janelle. Today I want to take you along with me for a day in the life. We have lots of things to do. We are actually going to go have brunch with some friends and spend some time with them. So I want to take you along with that. And we also have to run to the grocery store real quick before we head over there. So come along with us. So this is our small little farm. We have about an acre and a half. So here's our field back here. And we have 7 cows, I believe. So we have 5 cows in the field. 2 of them are calves. And then we have 2 in corrals. And then in that back corral, it's kind of a corral slash chicken coop. We do have 4 chickens. So we get eggs pretty much every day, which is really nice. The weather is beautiful this morning. And here's just a quick look of what we get to look at every day. Particular morning, it was my turn to feed all of the animals, so I'm going to start out with the cows that are here in the field, and then I will feed the cows that are in the corrals as well as our chickens. Cows that are in the corrals, both of them do get hay. They also get grain as well. So you will see me taking hay to both of the cows, and then in the bucket I do have grain for both of the cows. In our field, we do have 5 cows. So what we do is we split up their hay for both the morning and the afternoon. We split them up into 3 big piles so that all the cows are fed and that none of them get in the way of each other. Good morning. 2 to 3 tablespoons of this. So that equals 2 tablespoons is 30 grams and 3 tablespoons is 45. So I think I'm actually going to do 30 today. Oh, a little over, but that's all right. By the time that I had gotten back in from feeding the animals, Charlene had already woken up, so she wanted to watch Frozen, and I went ahead and I got her some toast and some orange juice just to hold her over until we went to brunch with some of our friends. One thing that I like to do to help me feel more productive during the day is to make my bed and tidy our room a little bit before anything else gets done. So if you haven't made your bed today, come on, get up with me. Let's make our beds together. I went ahead and I jumped in the shower to start getting myself ready so that we can be on time to head over to our friends for brunch. Hey, brother.
Hot.
You're hot?
Hot.
Good morning. It's not hot. How'd you sleep? Wanna go swim? Come on. Get up.
Lola.
Boy. Morning.
Oh. Oh. Hi.
Big hugs. Oh, thank you.
Oh.
Okay, you ready to get dressed?
Oh.
Come on, let's get dressed.
Baby.
So now that I am all ready, we are going to go ahead and get packed up into the Suburban, and we're going to head to the grocery store and head over to our friends. And we are on our way to brunch. Say hi. all had so much fun. The kids got to play outside in the sprinkler and in the swimming pool, so we're gonna head back home. The kids are gonna take a nap, and I'm gonna start doing a little bit of tidying up around the house. Hey guys, so we just got back from our friend's house. We had brunch and we hung out in their backyard. The kids played in the pool and in the sprinklers. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to fold our clothes really quick, and then I have to get a workout in before dinner. I'm also gonna get some chicken thought. We're gonna do chicken salads tonight, and the kids are gonna have nuggets. Of course, there's always going to be a basket of laundry that needs to be folded. It's like a never-ending chore, right? If you have a basket of laundry that needs to be folded today, fold laundry with me. I would love to have company. As I mentioned in the video when we decluttered and organized Charlene's room, I do fold all of our clothes using the KonMari method. I will make a video very soon so that you all can see how I fold mine and Jonah's clothes using the KonMari method, as well as you will be able to see our drawers and how they look and stay organized using this method. Before I work out, I just wanted to remind you, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Also, make sure that you click the bell so that you get notifications for all of my future videos. I was told that YouTube changed the algorithm for when you ring the bell. So now when you press the bell, you're gonna actually have to press the little arrow, and it's gonna bring you a drop down, and make sure that you click all, because when you click all, that's going to give you all the notifications for all of my videos. I just wanted to make sure you guys knew that part. I really do my best to strive to work out 5 to 6 days a week. However, as we all know, life can get in the way sometimes. But I do try and make it a priority because I know how important it is. When I stay healthy, then I can be the best version of myself for both my kids and my husband. Recently, Jonah and I have really been trying to eat at least one salad a week. So this week we're doing a chicken salad, which is super simple. I just cooked up some chicken breasts, we have some romaine lettuce, some strawberries, and some red onions. We both usually put some kind of a nut on it. I prefer pecans, and Jonah usually puts on almonds, and it's usually a really quick, simple dinner.
And bless Daddy home from safer work and Jesus. Amen. Amen.
Amen.
Mama, can I have strawberry?
After you chant it,
Huh? Please? Where? Where do I put it? Where should it go? Where? Where should I put it? Right here? Show me where. Where? Right here? Uh-oh.
Here you go. I got napkins. And how are your food, Mom? How are your food?
Yeah.
Daddy, you got some water with me?
Yeah.
Yes, I got some water too. I got warm water.
Why?
Yes, I have some blueberry, cold water, and hot water.
cold water, and there was an ice cube.
Oh.
All right, so we just finished our dinner up. We just had a simple chicken salad and the kids had chicken nuggets. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean the dining room, wipe down the table, vacuum all the crumbs up, and empty the dishwasher and get the dishes washed. I really like to make sure that the kitchen and the dining room are clean before we go to bed because I like to wake up to a nice clean dining room and kitchen so that we can start the day off fresh and get the day off to a good start. hope you enjoyed our whole day in the life of a stay-at-home mom with our 2 kiddos. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Make sure you hit that little bell so that every time I post a new video, you get the notification. Until next time and my next video, bye.